Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you already subscribed to my amazing channel full of knowledge. So today I'm going to talk about how to move to Thailand. So I'm going to give you some pointers to help you to prepare for this exciting time in your life. I'm in Latvia at the moment, so my background is really different. I'm still in the nature though. I'm like in the forest. A little bit spooky, to be honest. I feel like, have you seen that movie, Blair Witch? So yeah, I feel like I'm in the movie. Hopefully I'm not going to get lost. Anyway, you know how much I love nature and how it makes me feel just so relaxed. So I prefer to film outdoors. Anyway, let's crack on with this episode. Number one, you've got to get a job online. If you're moving abroad alone, $2,000 will be more than plenty for you. Again, not living like a king, but you know, to cover basics, $2,000 per month would be plenty. So get a job online. Little suggestion, make sure you can work on Thailand hours. I've got so many friends who have to put an alarm to wake up at 2 a.m. to have a conference call in their pajamas. So I would definitely establish this with the company that you're applying for, if you are able to work on a different hours. So not like Europe hours or USA hours, etc. This is what I was talking about, that I feel like I'm in a Blair Witch. Can you see these things? What are they? Really spooky. If you have a property, then definitely rent it out. I'm going to show you something. Ta-da! I'm officially in Landlord. It's my first document. It's called Landlord Homeowner Gas Safety Record. Successfully passed. If you are watching me in UK, then the rental market is going through the roof. So definitely sell all your crap, all your furniture. So I've sold all of this, all the Christmas stuff. Christmas tree. I've sold this also, literally, to one lady, and this is what I left for myself for the last week. Life of minimalist. Look what I've done. Excuse the free £2, £3, £20 rice. This is when we went into lockdown. I still got that bloody rice. Sell all your crap. Don't pay for storage. It's a waste of money. Remortgage your property if you can on interest only, because that would give you an additional disposable income. And then yeah, then you'd be laughing. Just trying to tidy everything up and empty all the furniture. My bedroom furniture is getting picked up, so just emptied that cupboard. This cupboard. I'm knackered. Visa situation is probably the only challenge that you would need to kind of sort out. So options that you have, if you want to get a work permit and you want to work, you know, officially, legally in Thailand, that would cost a lot. It's about 70 to 80,000 baht as a starting point. If, however, you want to do a cheaper option, then educational visa is probably the one. I mean, there is also elite visa, but yeah, it's just gonna cost so much. This episode is not about the visa, but if you do want to know more, what I'll do in the description, I'll put some useful videos that I've already created explaining to you about a visa situation in a little bit more details. And by the way, if you wonder why my nose is so red, it's +10. It's literally like, look, my fingers are blue color. It's so cold, so I might need to be moving around just so I don't get cold. Getting accommodation in Thailand, so what I would suggest when you land, maybe book a hotel, Airbnb for 2-3 weeks, just so you can chill for a little bit, and then you can start your search. Okay, the sweat is on, but I think I found it. Got gates. That's the building, so let's see if I can find the person. Hello. What floor is it on? What floor? Oh, nice lift.
14th floor.
14th. Oh, nice. Okay. Very long corridor. So we're gonna see the apartment now. The price is 9,000 baht per month. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, you have a table. Nice TVs included. Okay, and you don't have Wi-Fi here? No, you have to install it, or
no have.
Don't have. Okay, nice view. Wow. So, and how much is electricity? How much? Do you know?
I don't know. Sorry.
No, don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a wardrobe. And for water, don't know how much, no? No. But do you have a number for someone who knows this information?
Yeah, I have. And you can your telephone number for me.
Okay.
Tomorrow
Okay.
I come back you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the kitchen. You have a little balcony. Yeah, so then I know how much, you know, for the internet and for everything, you know. So this one is neither. Okay, no, perfect. You have air conditioning? Yeah, great. Okay. Swimming pool as well. So I'm gonna show you. That's a swimming pool. Super cute. And a gym as well. I think it's gonna be small, but always handy. Here's the gym. And the guys are working out. Good. On my channel, I do actually have so many episodes about the apartments. I pay for mine about $400, maybe a bit less actually. No, I'm lying, a bit less than that. So again, all the useful videos I will share in the description to save you time searching through my channel. But also you can negotiate and cut the price more. I also have a video about that. Do you see what I'm saying? My channel is just full of knowledge if you are planning to move abroad, in particularly Thailand. So definitely have a look. Depends on your expectation, but you can get a massive villa and pay $2,000 per month. Oh my God, this is just so me, so minimalistic, so elegant. Like, yeah, love it. You've got the floor plans, what goes where, the parking space for 2 cars. I think that's fantastic. And yeah, so that could be you there, and then I'll be there somewhere. So for a rent, or like me, get something small, because I can guarantee you ain't gonna be cooking, all right? Because it's cheaper to get food in a restaurant. Shower, yeah, you're going to be showering a lot. It's very hot. And what else? That's it. I spend most of my time outdoor, even when I'm creating videos, editing the videos, I don't know, researching new subjects, etc. I go in a cafe, so every day I pick a different cafe. Not sure if you know, guys, but Thailand is the #2 country worldwide for road accidents. My suggestion is, if you don't have bike and car license in your own country, make sure you get that sorted. Then get the international license, and I think that can cover you for about a year in Thailand. What I have done, in order for me to be insured in case I do have an accident, I actually got Thai driving license, both for car and the bike. So I'm really happy. I've got my appointments planned for the driving license, and as far as I can understand, it's only going to be eye test, where they will check if I can recognize red, green and yellow. And in the beginning I was like, oh, that's a bit weird, but then I know why, because most locals just go on a red light all the time. I see it. So yeah, and then I need to do some sort of test at home, then pay, take a picture, and then I'll get the driving license. Created 2 episodes about the entire experience. Super easy, costs you nothing, literally it costs you nothing. And now I can get a SafetyWing insurance that can cover me in case I do end up in an accident, even if it's not my fault. So yeah, and you know what, and SafetyWing is probably the only insurance that will cover you for bike accidents. So I'll put the link in the description. If you do end up buying it, I'd really appreciate if you can use my link, as I am a brand ambassador for them. Bank account and all that other business, you can sort it all out when you are in Thailand. On educational visa, you can go to most of the banks where you can open an account for free. That's what I've done. I did create a video, but guess what? YouTube deleted my video for sexual harassment, because I think I said to the staff member, is she single? And she said, yeah. So we had a bit of a joke, a bit of a laugh. So I think, yeah, I need to create another video just to explain to you how to do it. But super, super simple. Like, if I could do it, you can do it for sure. So I think that's everything, guys. That's all your basic stuff. If you need an additional help, I do provide one-to-one consultations, chats, calls, video calls, however you want to call it. What's happening? There's a lot of dog walkers. They're all looking at me thinking, what the hell is this woman doing? But anyway, I like recording in nature. In the description, you will find details of how to book a call with me, how to pay for a call. Really reasonable price, really worth it. If you don't want to get ripped off, I definitely recommend you have a chat with me before you relocate. So I can give you just bullet points. Do this, don't do this. This is good price, this isn't good. It's like even a bike. You know, if you don't know how much the bike should cost you, you will pay double, all right, maybe even more. So I'll leave it up to you. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this will be a form of gratitude for all my knowledge today. So see you soon. No, it's this one. It's this one here. It's too tight, yeah, because I don't want to scratch anyone's bikes. It's too tight, too tight. Yeah, you see how close? Oh my God. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. See, this is why you need a man to get the bike out. Thank you, 𝐤𝐿𝐴 𝐻𝐿 𝐿.